This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am on a Riviera river cruise on the ship Geoffrey, Chaucer. We're going to do a room tour. I am in room 210 in a ruby deck suite. So when you come in, you do have to put your card to turn the lights. There is a mirror right here. I am with a friend, so our bed is split into two. Start with the bathroom. I'm not sure what's down here. I've not opened it. Just trash and space. I like that little space to put some stuff. They do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Let's turn this way. Pretty power. Robe and slippers at the top. Lots of space to put your stuff. It came in, it has a menu on the TV, which I have not checked out yet. They do give you, let me move this. So that you can take water off the ship with you. And these for when we go on tours. The earpiece and the connection thing that goes to it. So you have more storage over here. Small seating area and small table on both sides of the beds. There is a plug over there. Let's see. Yep, and there's one on this side as well. Same one, a European plug. There is no balcony to walk out on. I just realized I haven't opened this yet. Hold on. I wasn't sure which way it would open because I hadn't done it yet. Now I gotta figure out where the door is. Okay, her luggage was right there, so. And that is it. Room 210, Ruby Deck Suite on Riviera, Geoffrey, Chaucer.